Next is question number 11. It's part A. Complete the table for the three sequences. Sequence A, B and C. For sequence A, the difference is 9 minus 13 equals minus 4. Similarly, 5 minus 9 equals minus 4. 1 minus 5 equals minus 4. So its fifth term will be 1 minus 4 equals minus 3. This will be minus 3. And for finding nth term, a1 plus n minus 1 into d. And first term is 13 plus n minus 1. Common difference is minus 4, which is equal to 13 minus 4n plus 4, which is 17 minus 4n. So 17 minus 4n. Now for sequence B, its first term is 0, second term is 7. We can write 7 as 2 raised to power 3 minus 1. This is 7. And for third term, this will be 3 raised to power 3 minus 1, which is 26. And for fourth term, this will be 4 raised to power 3 minus 1, which is 63. So fifth term will be 5 raised to power 3 minus 1. 5 cube minus 1, which is 124. Similarly, its nth term will be n cube minus 1. Now for sequence C, this is 7 over 8 and then adding 1 in its nominator. This will be 8 and then adding 1 it will be 9, then adding 1 it will be 10. So in fifth term this will be 11 over. Now this is 2 raised to power 3, this is 2 raised to power 4, this is 2 raised to power 5, this is 2 raised to power 6, and this will be 2 raised to power 7. And 2 raised to power 7 is 128. And for nth term, this is first term and this is 1 plus 6 over this is 8, which is 2 cube. So this is 2 cube. Okay, and for second term, this is 6 plus 2 over 2 raised to power 4. For third term, this is 6 plus 3 over 2 raised to power 5, and then this is 6 plus 4 over 2 raised to power 6, and this is 6 plus 5 over 2 raised to power 7. So its nth term is 6 plus n over, this will be 2 raised to power n plus 2, because for first term this is 2 plus 1, which is 3, then for second term this is 2 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, and this is 2 plus 5. So here it will be 2 raised to power n plus 2. And next is part B. One term in sequence C is P over Q. Write down the next term in sequence C in terms of P and Q. So in this term, the next term will be P plus 1 over 2Q. P plus 1 over 2Q.